Ciao loves, this is a quick video on how to find the planetary positions based off of your location. You can utilize this lookup technique with the Navatara or also the Lunar Calendar. So let's get into it. First things first, go to this website, Greek Panchang. A little note for you, this website unfortunately has an exorbitant, way too many amounts of cookies. So make sure you decline all the cookies and go through the vendors and mark that off to make sure that you are declining all of the cookies. All right, so first things, go into Dreek Panchang, and then once you get to this website and you've declined all of the cookies, go into the top portion. You'll go here under planets, under the top tab. Go to the first option, planetary positions, click on that. Now, when you're putting in the planetary positions in this aspect, it's important to know where the planets are in relation to you. So let's get into that. Right here on the left-hand side, place your current city and state or current city and country. You can see here I'm located in Rome. Then to the right of that, you will have date and time. This is important and can be utilized in two aspects. One, to find the exact planetary positions at sunrise, and or two, if you are timing a specific event or outcome. That can be to find the exact position at moonrise, placing the moonrise time here, and you can see where the moon is in your position. Or if you're using the Navatara method and planning a specific outcome, so you can utilize that here. So let's say I have to give a presentation at 2 p.m. and I need to know where Mercury is located or where the moon is located in regards to the Navatara. And the Navatara method that I'm talking about is the second method where you're optimizing planetary forces. Okay, so what you do is you click on this tab, you'll see that it will pull up a time and date. This is based off of the 24-hour clock. You can go anytime in the future or the past. This is on the 6th at 5:23 p.m. Sunrise typically is around 5:30 in the summer. And let's just put 5:34, which I think is its current time, or 5:43. And then I'll hit done. Again, it's the 24-hour clock. So 0000 is 12 a.m. to 2300 is 11 p.m. and 12 is noon. So at 5:05 at 5 o'clock in the morning, this is the stellar position. Another thing, go ahead and select south. This is going to set up the grid view. It's just a Vedic astrology grid view options. I was trained on the south. The Southern methodology is the easiest for people to understand because it looks like a board game, like Monopoly. All right, now we're going through, and let's go down. The first thing you'll notice on the left-hand side are all of the planets. You may also notice that they are written in Sanskrit. I will go through that. The second is the longitude. This is the degree and minutes it is located in the physical zodiac sign. The third column is the nakshatra. This is the asterism or lunar mansion that the planet is placed in. This nakshatra portion is the most important when it comes to your Navatara, or if you are using this to map your lunar chart or your own personal lunar calendar. Now you'll see if I scroll down here, it'll put the details of each planet lined out. Okay, so if you don't know your planetary Sanskrit, no worries. Just go down here and you'll have it in English with its translation. So Lagna ascendant is in Cancer. We have the sun, which is in Cancer. And now you can see the degrees and the minutes. What you'll do then is you can find exactly, for this example, the moon is at 20 degrees of Pisces and 18 minutes. You do have to know your, either know the symbols of the signs here if you don't know the Sanskrit signs. So the symbols can be easy to find, and you'll begin to learn it. You might have to do a little memorization in the beginning, but you'll learn it. And Pisces, and then so on. This portion, let me just cover, is the padas of the nakshatra. You don't really need to know that for what we are covering here. Again, the website, Drupantang, planet, position, and nakshatra. Nakshatra being the lunar mansion. That's it for you. That's it for today. And if you enjoyed this, there's other tutorials on other ways to work with nakshatras. And don't forget to subscribe. Lots of love.